Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to disable vibrations in the Boo Dating application. If you want to turn off or disable vibrations in the Boo Dating app, then first of all launch open the Boo Dating application on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed into the home page of Boo, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. Soon after you do that, you'll need to go ahead and click on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down under General and toggle on the button right next to Disable Vibrations. Once you have this option turned on, you'll then be able to turn off the vibration on the Boo application. So there you have it. Now you can enjoy a quieter, more focused experience while still staying connected with your matches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.